Every business has data in spreadsheets and databases. The problem comes when you want to turn this data into insights, and then hours are spent in coding dashboard, writing SQL queries, and juggling between all the sheets. Our traditional BI tools are powerful, but let's face it, they are slow to learn, clunky to use, and maintaining them is not an easy task. Just imagine, wouldn't it be easier if you could just ask your data these questions? You just go there and type, "Show me my top 5 sales region-wise," and you get instant charts, trends, and explanation of the metrics. Meet Show Insights AI, the simplest way to convert data into insights. Just connect your database, upload to spreadsheets, and ask questions in plain English, and get instant insights, charts, and analytics. No SQL, coding, or learning a new tool for actionable insights. It also comes with features that enable you for chart customization. Download these visuals and get AI-generated explanation of those numbers telling you why those matters. You can add these visuals to your dashboard to create reports and share with your teammates instantly just by a single click. Whether you are an analyst, founder, or a tech lead, Show Insights AI helps you get insights from your database instantly and take decisions faster. Your data already have all the answers. It just needs the right partners. Show Insights AI, your data to decisions instantly.